To remove a virtual boundary, make sure you have the map on the ECOVACS Home app screen, which has the virtual boundary that you want to remove. Click on Map Editing, and you can see virtual boundaries here in the menu at the bottom. Click on Virtual Boundary. Now, you use the same navigation also to create a virtual boundary, for which a video will be uploaded shortly, so please make sure you've clicked the subscribe button. Now, the virtual boundary that I had initially created for this room can be seen as the dotted red line at the bottom right. So if I click on the dotted red line, it gets highlighted and you can see a cross that has come up. Click on the cross and the virtual boundary has now been removed. So if you go back, there is no longer a virtual boundary on this map.